Hello guys, in this video I'll show you how you can fix GTA 5 Enhanced. You were kicked from session by BattlEye. So the first thing what you need to do here, you need to open up Rockstar Games. Then you need to go to settings. On settings, disable BattlEye, just turn off this button. And then you need to completely close Rockstar Games and everything related to GTA. If you're having GTA 5 running, just completely close it. And then after you do so, you need to open up CMD or command prompt and make sure to run as admin. And on command prompt, you need to write sc space delete space be service and press enter. And after you get a success button, you need to launch again Rockstar Games. Then again, press on settings and then re-enable BattlEye. And then launch the game and it should work for you. So yeah, that's pretty much it. If I helped you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care.